The Oppo A18 is a budget-friendly smartphone released by Oppo, designed to offer essential features and solid performance for everyday use. Here are its key specifications and features. Key specifications. Display: 6.56-inch HD plus LCD, 720 by 1612 pixels, with a 90 Hz refresh rate for smooth scrolling. Processor: MediaTek Helio G85, an optical processor for basic multitasking and app performance. RAM: 4GB, with RAM expansion technology that allows you to add up to 4GB more virtually from storage. Storage: 64GB and 128GB internal storage, expandable with a microSD card slot, up to 1TB. Operating system: ColorOS 13.1, based on Android 13. Camera: rear camera, dual camera setup with a 8MP f/2.0 for P lens, 78 degrees FOV, EF, autofocus, supported. Front camera, 5MP front camera for selfies. Battery capacity: 5000 mAh, which is capable of lasting a full day with moderate usage. Charging: 10W charging, which is slower compared to other modern devices. Other features: fingerprint sensor, side-mounted for secure unlocking. Connectivity: 4G LTE, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.3, USB Type-C. Audio: 3.5mm headphone jack for wired audio support. Pricing and availability. The Oppo A18 is positioned as an affordable option in the entry-level segment, with a price point generally around $150 to $180 USD, may vary by region.